Guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create a transparent watermark in CapCut PC. So I'm just going to use this random video, but first I'm going to go to background and I'm going to add in a black stock video. Freeze frame it so that you can adjust the duration till the end of the video. Go to text and add in your default text and type in your watermark. I'm just going to try to find a font. Maybe this one, actually. I'm just going to find another font. Let's just use this one, why not? I'm going to then go to opacity and I'm going to put it to 50%. That's 60. That's 40. Select both, right click, create compound clip, go back to video, go to blend mode, and you're just going to select color dodge. And that's it. You'll have your transparent watermark. I do suggest using a different font. I'm just going to double click on it and I'm just going to go back here and I'm just going to change it real quick. And I'll go back so that it's more bold and you can see the watermark a little bit clearer than the other one. That is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!